Does anyone else see anything to get one of these blood samples out of the specimen? Or is this analysis? Aren't you?
No! Get it off me! Get it off! Get it off! No!
Greetings!
No!
No!
Whoa! Stop! No! Eat this, you bastard! Stop! No! Ah! My goodness!
Oh.
No! Stop! Ah! Ah! No! Ah! No!
Refuse to go another step.
No! No! Ah! No! Stop! Ah!
Move it!